Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the custom selectors within Greenshift's interaction layers. This video is a part of a series of videos taking a look at Greenshift's interaction layers. Okay, so let's talk about using custom selectors. By default, in Greenshift, our interactions, which are our triggers and actions, stay on a block. So if in our earlier example, our actions only stayed on this. Only this one rotated and skewed and scaled. What if we wanted to affect other blocks? That's when we use custom selectors. Let's click on this one. Okay, we will add an interaction layer. Our trigger will be on click. And the same thing, animation, just a simple visual one for you. Rotate by 5. Okay, we'll save it. And we'll take a look at what happens. We don't have any custom selectors on it yet, but just to verify functionality, if we clicked on these other images, but clicked on this one, only this one rotates. What if we use our custom selectors? And that's what this little map pin is for, okay? Custom selector. And we can click on this other map pin, and it opens up our selector chooser, and we can look for it within our layout here, our page, and you can see the individual blocks, and this has its own selector. We'll click on Use Current Selector, click on Save, and let's see the effect. Let's reload our site. We'll click on this, and you can see that this doesn't move, but this one moves. And we can add this functionality, this custom selector, for these other ones as well. But if we wanted to select multiple, that's when we'll talk about classes. And there you have it, the custom selectors within Greenshift's interaction layers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.